Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. So today's topic will be on how to restore your car headlight. Actually, while ago I had just met with an accident and just cracked my right side headlight, guys. So I thought to restore it rather than replace it. So without wasting any time, we will directly go to the car, guys. These are some before condition pictures of the vehicle. As you can see, the headlight has been totally damaged. So I have applied the jet black film on it so that it should not look bad while driving the vehicle. Now the headlight has been removed and this is the condition after removing the headlight, as you can see. Now the process has been initiated. Now they will remove the jet black film from it. The person has already initiated the work, as you can see. It's a very time consuming process and involves a lot of experience and patience while doing this job. Now the headlight separation process has been initiated. You have to slowly separate the glass from the headlight bracket. It consumes a lot of time, guys, and this is how it looks after removing the headlight. Applying the heat gun is only correct process of separation the glass from the headlight bracket, guys. It consumes a lot of time and lot of patience because there are highly chances to break the glass. So both the headlights has been removed from the vehicle. This is how it looks after removing the headlight, and the glass has been successfully separated from the headlight bracket. And right now we are just cleaning the edges so that there should be not any kind of factory glue remain on it. So the sanding process has been initiated, so like the minor scratches and the yellowness, it should be removed from this process. An headlight restoration process is initiated. Sanding process is still going on and they are cleaning from inside also. Meanwhile, the another headlight has been prepped for rubbing and polishing. I will just show you how that it's done. The polishing process has been initiated. This is a specific machine for rubbing and polishing of headlight, guys. This is the proper process for rubbing and polishing rather doing it through hand. Process is very time consuming, guys, and invest a lot of patience and lot of experience in it, guys. The driver's side headlight has been properly restored and now ready for fitment. As you can see, the fitment has been already initiated, and now I will directly show you the final shot of the vehicle. As you can see, both the headlight has been properly restored and I don't have to pay any single rupee to replace it. It almost cost 1500 rupees for restoration both the headlights, and it's total worth it. I'm very happy with the result, guys. Peace out. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. So kindly like, subscribe and share to my channel, Switesh Aksarkar.